Getting your web form to have an address autocomplete capability isn't as hard as it may seem. All you need is access to the HTML for the page and a Smarty account with address autocomplete lookups in it. Here's my page with a simple web form. Full disclosure, I am not a super coder, so I just took a screenshot from another form and put it into my chosen AI tool, and it spat out this page. I have a separate CSS that's styling it, and now it's ready for autocomplete. In other tabs, I have the Smarty address plugin documentation open and my Smarty account dashboard ready to access. The first step is to make sure that the input fields have IDs that match the selectors in the JavaScript. In the documentation, there's a super simple sample form that lists the field IDs of street, secondary, city, state, and zip code. The form code on my page only says zip, so I'll adjust it to match zip code. Now that those IDs exactly match the JavaScript selectors, I can copy and paste that JavaScript into the head of my HTML page. This code has a line that references your Smarty embedded key, and this is where you'll need your Smarty account. In my account dashboard, I'll make sure that I have an active US address autocomplete license with some available lookups. I've got a couple that I can use, so next I need to get the embedded key. I can select API keys on the side, or click Generate your API keys in the Quick Actions section. I'll select Create Embedded Key. I'll name this key Demo and make sure to list the host as the domain that my form is on. In this case, it's just a bunch of numbers. Once I click Create Key, this is ready to go. I'll just copy the key and paste it into the embedded key line in the HTML and save it. Now, if I give my page a little refresh, the autocomplete tool is working like a champ. Note that the secondary field remains blank unless I select an address that has a secondary unit. Not bad, right? If you're ever in doubt while setting up your own autocomplete form, you can always reach out to the Smarty support by clicking on the chat icon in the corner of any smarty.com page.